He's doing what he's doing, you know, like me. Real Dawg hurt me bad. Take boost from Lava and Pretty Dan. I don't remember in 2020 or 2021. And when they tried the cancel culture, I remember that cancel culture, they were them gonna try, but them a cancel this, cancel that. And them team up them time when everybody against me. And ride the wave over Lava upon Chat and Live and then drag me. Then disturb me. Then try empty the bakla water, then do everything. And I fight through it by myself. I remember this is the same Real Dawg that I built, that I helped build. Who know the history know what I'm talking about. I'm saying this with love, you know. This is not like I'm going anywhere with it as in a vibe. I'm just speaking about the fact that I was watching him on the For You page on his live. And I hear him talk about, and people hurt him and him forgive this and him give second chances and him this and that. And I shake my head. I shake my head because I said, Jaja, Real Dawg, if you remember where you come from too. Not just the TikTok fame where you get. Remember enough people you hurt. But they were there from your Facebook era. And even have a platform. When I remember Mr. Farm Fool on him live. And I said, my baby father, my dash rebellion and all of that. And it depends on the weather outside and all of them something there. Every day I had him on my life. And him ride and him ride and the fans them ride. But then when them come in with the cancel culture shit, when them come with the cancel culture shit and him start and do the doom, I said, Jaja, you're right, hurt people. But him know that I'm art. What time it is? Him knowing I'm art and I'm glad that I see him do some different things. I would just love for him to stop disrespecting females on a whole. Because he likes to disrespect females, especially even in the comments and, you know, regular telling people suck out their mother, all of that. Like, he got to understand himself. And remember, he's a man. And I like to see what he did the other day with Brittany on the live for the young guy. That's beautiful. That's the best thing I ever seen him did. Ever in him live with him platform. From Facebook to Instagram, now to TikTok. That's the best thing I ever seen him ever did with any one of his platform, and that's a good look for him. And that's beautiful. Yeah. I don't know about Swisley. I don't know him. He's alright. Yeah, he alright. But it's good that the three of them put their platforms together. And did that. I did make contribution too, I should say. I did also reached out and do. Because I'm not really, everything I do, I'm not really put it up. And everything I do, I put up. And everything I do, I put up. And every day I do something out of the liquor. I have called liquor as much when God is in it. You know what I mean? Yeah. But it speak volume the other day if you know the dip on the live. You see, if you know the dip on the live, you see how the money raise. And if you see the people them that they comment. And if you see when this someone say, would they write this so? One more this, that. Oh my God. We reached this so. Oh my God. I'm sit down like this. I'm just a watch. And it feel good because I did participate in it. You see everything, Reese? Blood clot. Supreme, my EP coming May 5th. Yes. Gold Goddess. I dig that? Yeah, man. Brit make it happen. Definitely. That's why I said, you know, she make it happen. And like why I go back to say, shout out to Brit again. And as I said, World Dawg was on there in Swiss. And that's the best thing I can say his name has ever been attached to. Since he have platforms all over. And it take Brittany, to do that and to make them subdue to that. Yeah. Yeah, man. So in all honesty, Brit are the MVP. Brit are the MVP because if you don't notice, you know, if you don't was on the live, to those who wasn't on the live, you know, if you don't know, it's not the live there the first. Britney reach out to the man, you know. Another live there, you know. She been in the man life and reach out to the man and in the man life. So I felt that God ordained her to put him up on that screen the other night with them on it to use their platform that he give them for go and use. Cause them not use it for do it really for use for do. Amen. Amen. God presented Britney that night to put them on the screen to use their platform that God give them and them not use it right. To make that happen, if you don't understand where me I come from, because if I did up to him alone, he not gonna do it, or certain people alone them not gonna do it. So how it happen, God ordained it for happen. God ordained her to be presented. And as I said, if one was on the live, when you notice, she been in the man life. She been a help the man. And there's a time and place for everything with timing. Time and place. And that night was the right time. For even everybody where they on the live, we built it up. Everybody, every goddamn body. The Dawg, the Swiss, Brittany, me, everyone I own in the comment. You understand me? Yeah. So now for understand, she's very powerful. And that's why I go back to say she needs to start get some protection when she go out, because the love we wanna have for her, the gifts them wanna give her, people will hurt her just because she become who she is right now off of this platform. I may pray to God when you see her out the road and you just shower her with love. If you can't stand her, or if she's not your cup of tea, if you come on the right, just go on the left and just hold on the head straight. You don't have to even look at her. Go, we already know. If she feel like flick on the wig, if she don't feel like flick on the wig, if she feel like a ball back her head again or whatever, you see her walk with the look a nice body and the strong walk, you know Britney just knows that she's that. God ordained her, dog. I don't know, the life did so sweet and powerful. Yeah, gold digger. She smart. She need a team and she will find her own team because she don't need to run to nobody and make nobody run, come in her, come tell her this, tell her that. God will pick the people them for put her on her and Britney and an idiot. And sometimes you don't need no bagga people, no team. You need that just one person, yourself and a security and God. That's your team. The bagga people them to do this, do that. No, she can't answer or call them herself and go on her own pace. Do what she want and do the do. And do the do on her own fucking pace. She go create all a team now, then come broke down her thing. And then she start, I get hurt because she got trust all that little pussy there. And them dead around her. Because remember, say fake look real as fuck. Remember earlier in the conversation, whoever did up on the life from earlier, remember what we talk about? Fake look real. Because when they come around you, they make it seem like them a gun for you, them a run for you, them a this, them a book for you, them a this, that one in all honesty on the inside, them no real. So when you see things start happening now, it start to get shaky, we go fuck with our meds. Then she have to go find a different team for all of that. No, God will RD and who for RD and send run her while she take her time. All Britney need is a security team. That's all sweet pussy need. All Jojo pussy need is a security team. She don't need nothing else. Nothing else but a detailed security team to protect her. So if she on the beach acting wild, acting like Brittany, they're protecting her. That's it. Because like I said, for the love we wanna give and show her, people envy that. People hate people will give you love. Because hurt people, and them themselves need love and know how to be happy for somebody else's love. So all good pussy need is a security team, and then God do the rest. And Uno, she already have Uno already. She already have Uno already. So you see, if she get her security team and have Uno, girl gone. And she find her a nice man for love and rub down her body. Give her nice sex and suck on her pussy. Because she love her pussy. Kiss. Where can make she feel good. So she not fear find another man for suck your pussy while you wanna fuck her. She just find one where accept her for who she is and just have mad, sweet, hot sex. Drip, cream, cum sex. And Britney ride cock and broke cock. With the market blood clot mouth. And the boy just know. Say, a Britney I broke the cocky then I whining on my pussy. That's it. A nice boy in her life. We can't help her because she can cook too. Girl can cook much how she cook. She know to prepare her food. It look like it tastes good. Remember me I watch Britney long time before TikToks and this TikTok something a long time. Me I watch Britney long time. Long time. Easy me. So all me need God for do. I bless her with a nice man. For understand her. Don't have to be like her. It can be a quiet version of her. A different version of her. To fuck her right. Please her. Bring her out. If not now, go on for him, the two of them build up with money. So he can buy her nice stuff, she buy him back nice stuff, and them enjoy themselves. If them want kind of man, them kind of blood clot man or blood clot girl, together, uncle, auntie, nieces and nephew. That's all. That's all good pussy need, man. Our security team right now, and then the man go come. We really love her and stay better. And smell good. Have a big good. Look good. When you have an in clothes, because every boy look good in them clothes. Some boy shape body in H&M pants them. And Zara and Zara make them pants with bow leg. You never see Zara pants them. Go for a Zara man pants and put it down on the ground. The way all the man them sew them if you not have bow leg, you could have knock knee. Or your leg a gash of fire. Zara pants them sew when you put it on and walk. You look like you have bow leg, and some of my boy them don't look good in the same way. Then shape but them make clothes look bad. Then stay bad in her clothes all of the name brand. So me notice say Brit like when her man them look good. And have that look something about them. So me I pray that God send her a nice boy will look good in them clothes. Cause Brit look good in her fair clothes, you know. Yeah. Sometimes Brit we go off key with the wig them and then sitting there. But Brit, alright, Brit no shadow. Right now, wish me to come out like Brit and be more like Brit. That's why sometimes every day I just feel like I say, I'm sitting here with this on my head. Rance clot, it's all like give me a little headache. But you look cute. Much could I just take care of and just sit down so. And just be me, be myself. Me can do it, you know. But society won't allow me to do it. Them are gonna say Dovey mad. Nothing now go on for Dovey now. Dovey this, Dovey that, cause see Dovey sit down there now without ear upon her head. You get me? So how Brit live her life and do her thing when you can't tell her shit. This minute you see her in a nice wig we curl up, we can't take eat. Another minute in a one we can't take no blood clot eat. This minute she go bald. This minute she go and put on a mask. This minute she go, what is the name of the dinosaur with it? Where she did trim her ear. And if I understand, she's just living. She's just being herself. She'll live and I feel free to something where we in a bandage with. We now go walk up and down out a road just being us. Just so chum, me can't bother for going at the draft for that. Me just draw on the red shirt and the purple boot and the orange hat and the yellow wig. Yeah. We are gonna have a problem with what me just say by seeing a person. Well, when the person have and don't have a fucking problem, can not hurt them body, not hurt their head, not nothing, break that she don't make nothing blood clot hurt her. Nor bother her. I feel like what we need for blood clot learn from that. What we at girl and walk go right now need to learn from that. I'm asking a question. I can take a pull off of my vape? Can I not know, you know? Can I? I don't know the rules. I don't want him to banana this page. Because remember, we just start growing back. Me can smoke the vape? Okay, not in the camera. All right, Digga, thanks to that. Make sure you guys grab up Digga page. Goal goddess. You don't know the thing set. Big top artist / makeup artist. She bad. I'm glad she pursue our love, which is our makeup. Big up yourself, Gold Digga. I tag you under pretty sitting the other day when she put up the one makeup artist. Or yourself, good pussy. Yeah. Okay. Okay, I understand now. You know. But as me say, man, like real shit. We have to just learn off of other people's experience and just be on yourself and all of that. Shout out to everybody, as me say, who support me over the years. Shout out to everybody who's still holding me down. Shout out to every fucking body, because right about now is about survival, just having